Diabetes affects millions of people worldwide, but did you know that with the right approach and right lifestyle choices, it can be managed effectively? Today, let's dive into what is diabetes, its causes, its types, and some simple lifestyle tips that can actually make a huge difference. 1 in 10 adults worldwide has diabetes. That's over 530 million people worldwide having diabetes, and it is expected to rise up to 643 million by 2030. India has become the new diabetes capital of the world. So let's break down this global health challenge and help tackle it. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic condition where your body either doesn't produce insulin at all or is not able to use effectively the insulin produced by the body. Insulin is a hormone that regulates the blood sugar levels in the body. Now, the types of diabetes. There are mainly two types of diabetes, but here we'll discuss three types of diabetes. So, number one is type 1 diabetes. It is a condition wherein pancreas doesn't produce insulin and it is an autoimmune condition. So your immune system starts attacking the pancreas, especially the insulin producing beta cells of the body. Then comes the type 2 diabetes. It is a lifestyle disease and your body doesn't produce enough insulin or is not able to use the insulin produced very effectively. Then comes the gestational diabetes that occurs to a woman during her pregnancy, and it usually, in most of the cases, goes away after pregnancy. Now, the causes of diabetes. Number one is genetics. That holds true for type 1 diabetes, which is mainly genetic diabetes, and it passes on from one gene to another. Number two can be lifestyle factors, such as your lack of physical activity, poor diet, stress, lack of sleep. So, all these lifestyle factors are a cause mainly for type 2 diabetes. Then comes the hormonal changes during pregnancy, which is the main cause for gestational diabetes, and an autoimmune reaction, which holds true for type 1 diabetes. In addition to some of the basic things that almost all of you would be knowing, such as regular blood sugar monitoring, regular checkups with your doctor, a healthy diet and exercise, insulin therapy and medication, here are some quick tips for diabetes friendly lifestyle that I'd like to share with you all. So, number one, choose whole grains over refined carbs. Include foods that are rich in soluble fiber. Foods that are rich in soluble fiber can actually slow down the carbohydrate digestion and help maintain blood sugar balance. Number two, include plenty of vegetables and leafy greens. Chuck the processed foods, packaged foods, trans fats, and sugary drinks out of your life. Number three, stay hydrated throughout the day. Number four, manage your sleep because sleep also plays a role in managing the blood sugar levels. Number five, exercise for 30 minutes daily. And number six, manage your stress through meditation or yoga. Now, some natural remedies and herbs that may help you with your diabetes management. So, include cinnamon, green tea, aloe vera, fenugreek seeds, and bitter melon in your diet. Essential nutrients like chromium and magnesium may also help you with your blood sugar regulation, and herbs like ginseng and berberine may also help you in your blood sugar regulation. Remember, diabetes is manageable with right knowledge and right lifestyle changes. You can actually lead a healthy and fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, do hit that like button and do subscribe for more such health tips. Heave to Hail on Instagram and YouTube. If you're concerned about your diabetes, do not hesitate to talk to an health expert because remember, early detection can make all the difference. See you next time.